In this video, we'll demonstrate how to conduct a building lifecycle assessment using the BIM.com design app for Revit. We'll also explore material selection strategies to help you achieve your project's CO2 targets. To begin, I will create a new 3D view specifically for the calculation. It's crucial to include only pertinent model elements, so I'll start by hiding items such as topography, trees, and other elements that would unnecessarily complicate the LCA report. I'll continue by opening the design application from the Revit add-in menu. Once both the Revit model and the design app are running, the app will prompt you to connect your project. To do this, I'll give it a name and specify a size, as the size is crucial for the calculation. Next, I will select the new 3D view we created and press Sync. The design app will then read the model and automatically match product data to your modelled objects. It will proceed to calculate the LCA, and once completed, the final results will be displayed in an easy-to-read dashboard. The dashboard provides a clear overview with a graph and results in the top left corner. You can set a sustainability budget to ensure the project stays below a target. Adding a budget visually tracks project performance after each sync, indicating, for example, if the project is 5 tonnes above budget, like in this case. The graph offers a visual breakdown of CO2 impact by category, helping identify areas for improvement to stay within budget. For a detailed view, drill down into categories to see matched Revit types. Further explore types to view instances, matched products, and the data used in calculations. To bring the project within budget, focus on areas with the largest footprint. For instance, if walls have the biggest impact, return to the model, select an exterior wall, and change it to a more sustainable type, such as a wood panel wall. After making changes, resync the model in the design app by selecting the 3D view and pressing Sync. A new widget will confirm the project update, showing that total CO2 emissions are now within budget. The sync history allows you to track project improvements over time and their impact. This data-driven approach empowers you to understand the impact of different design elements and facilitates more informed discussions with clients about design choices. You can find and download the design app for Revit for free at BIM.com.